Hello, welcome to maths class. Today let us have a problem based on cylinder of chapter volume and surface area. Already you have learned how to find the volume of a cylinder, how to find the curved surface area, total surface area of a cylinder. And let us have a problem based on that. Today's problem is the inner diameter of a metallic tube of density 7 gram per cm cube is 2.5 cm. Inner diameter of a metallic tube means metal tube is like hollow cylinder. A metallic tube is like hollow cylinder. It has got inner and outer faces. So if it is inner surfaces and outer surface, so the inner diameter of a hollow cylinder is given, inner diameter of the hollow cylinder is given to us. And the density of the metallic tube is given. This is like tube, which is in the shape of a hollow cylinder. Density of this metallic tube is given to us. Thickness of the tube is 0.29 cm. We know that thickness means outer radius minus inner radius gives you the thickness. This is the thickness. Find the weight of the tube if it is of length 30 cm. If the length of the hollow cylinder is 30 cm, the length is 30 cm. Outer inner diameter is given to us, thickness is given to us, and density of the tube is given to us. In your previous classes, you have learned that mass density equal to mass by volume. Let me explain you. Density equal to mass by volume. Here density is given to us. Find the weight of the tube. Weight means mass. If you want to find the mass, we have to multiply density by volume. So weight of the tube we have to find out. That means mass of the tube we have to find out. That equal to density into volume. So density is already given to us. We have to find the volume of the metallic tube or volume of metal this tube is made up of. So volume of the metal this tube is made up of is complete outer volume, means if it is solid, complete volume minus inner empty space which is of cylindrical shape, because it is a tube. Inner empty space is also like a cylinder. So outer volume of the tube minus inner volume of the tube gives you the volume of the metal. Okay, that volume into density of this metallic tube, if you multiply, we get the mass of the tube or weight of the tube. Okay, let us work out for that. So your solution is, what is given to us? Inner diameter of the tube is given to us. Inner diameter is equal to 2.5 cm. If inner diameter is 2.5 cm, inner radius is equal to, inner radius is smaller, let me take as 2.5 by 2. That gives you 1.25 cm is inner radius of the tube. And thickness of the tube is given to us. Thickness of the tube is given as 0.29 cm. Therefore, outer radius is equal to, in order to find the volume of the tube, we have to find out outer volume minus inner volume. So, outer radius is to be found out. Capital R, let me take. Outer radius is inner radius minus thickness. 1.25 inner radius plus thickness 0.29. That gives you 1.54 cm. So outer radius capital R we have taken, that is 1.54 cm. Inner radius is 1.25 cm. And volume of the metal is equal to outer volume minus inner volume. You know that volume of a cylinder formula pi r square h. Outer volume is pi capital R square h. Inner volume is pi small r square h. That means volume of tube is equal to, or volume of metal is equal to pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. That means if you take pi h common, capital R square minus small r square gives you the volume of the metal. One more is given. It is of length 30 cm. Here length means height. Here length means, this is already I have shown in the figure, the height of the tube or length of the tube. Here we have to take as height of the tube. That equal to 22/7 into height or length is 30 and R capital R is 1.54 cm square. Small r is 1.25 cm square. Okay, this one anyway you can, like this square minus this square you can do and subtract, or it is like a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b you can do. A plus b into my a minus b, if you do also you have to multiply. So let me do 22/7. I want to keep this one like this only because volume of the metal is to be multiplied, density is to be multiplied by this volume. So let me not simplify here. Here we can see density is 7 gram given. So when we multiply this volume by 7, this 7 will be cancelled. So I don't want to multiply. 1.54 square. If you multiply 1.54 square, you will get 1.54 into 1.54 if you do, you will get 2.3716 minus, and 1.25 square, that we know that 1.5625. Okay, that equals to 22/7 into 30 into, let us subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. Here carry 1. 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay, here 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 carry 1. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here 1 minus 1, 0. So we will get 0.8091. So this is the volume. This is cm cube. This much cm cube is the volume of the tube or volume of the metal. I am not simplifying this. Okay. And the density is also given to us 7 gram per cm cube. Let me clear the board. Okay. Let me clear the board and do here. Density is given 7 grams. So weight of the tube we have to find out. So density of the, what is given, actually we have to write first. I have not written, so I am writing here. Density of the tube is equal to 7 gram per cm cube. Now weight of the tube we have to find out. Weight of the tube or weight of the metal. Okay. Let me write weight of the metallic tube, we can write, is equal to weight, or that means mass. That equal to density into volume. Density is 7 and volume we got 22/7 into 30 into 0.8091. This is gram by cm cube. This is cm cube. When cm cube will be cancelled, you will get grams. Now 7 is cancelled, and when we multiply 22 into 30 into this, we can see this one last 0 is there. Let me write 0. Okay, 22 3 is 66. Okay, 0.8091 into 66 I am doing. This 0 I have written here. 6 1 is 6, 6 9 is 54, 6 8 is 48. Again 6, 6 4 5 8 4, 6 I think 5 3 4 0 0 6. After 4 places there is a 1 2 3 4. This 0 is there, 1 2 3 4 here grams. So towards the last one, this means 534.006 grams. 534.006 grams is the weight of the metallic tube. So that is already written, or last statement can be written. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.